If you're active in DeFi, you know the feeling after exiting positions. You're often left with small balances scattered across different chains. Individually, they're not very useful, so they usually just sit idle in your wallet. In this demo, I'll show you how to quickly turn that dust into one usable balance on your preferred chain. I'm going to do that using FastBridge. It lets me swap and bridge funds from multiple chains in a single transaction instead of moving each balance separately. I'll start by connecting my wallet. Before we start, FastBridge gives me two options: exact out and exact in. Exact out is useful when I know exactly how much I want to receive. Exact in is useful when I know how much I want to send. Since I want to clear out the balances I already have, I'm going to use exact in. Here I can see the balances I have across different chains. FastBridge arranges them by value from highest to lowest. So if I go all the way to the bottom, these are my smallest balances. This is basically the dust that's just been sitting in my wallet. I'll start with this USDC balance on scroll. It's really small, but I still want to clear it out. Then I'll go to add more assets and keep adding the other balances I want to move. I'll add my USDC on Avalanche, my scroll on scroll, and finally my USDT on MegaETH. I want to clear these balances out completely, so I'm going to use the max amount available for each one. Altogether, these come to about 0.86 USDC, and I can see here that the fee is only around 0.01. With balances this small, the main thing I want to check is the fee, and make sure it still makes sense to move them. In this case, it does. Now I'll choose base as my destination and USDC as the token I want to receive. Now FastBridge will swap and bridge these balances to base in a single transaction. I'll hit review swap and quickly check the details. I can see how much I'm sending, how much I'll receive, and my execution gas fee, which is very small. I can also see the protocol and solver fees, which are 0 in this case. Everything looks good, so I'll go ahead and swap. I'll just approve the transactions in my wallet, and now FastBridge will take care of the rest. And that's it. All those tiny balances are now on base as USDC, ready for me to use. Simple, fast, and done.